What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving you guys a candy cane cut crease makeup look. I'm so excited about this look because I feel like I haven't showed you guys my makeup skills on a new level yet. So hopefully you guys enjoy the look and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. So I'm starting off with doing my eyebrows. And I'm using the same palette that I always use, the Tarte Pro palette. I'm going in with the spoolie from my BH Cosmetics brush set. Then I'm gonna go in with this angled detail brush and use the shade Smoked mixed with Punk, as I did the first time I did this video. I'm going to shade in my eyebrows with those two colors with this detailed blending brush. Then I'm gonna go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and it's in the shade Truffle. So the video accidentally cut off, but basically what I did was I put concealer on my eyelid, and then I went in with this small blending brush, and I went in with the color Orange from the James Charles palette. Then I'm gonna blend it out around the edges. I'm going to take that same blending brush and I'm going to go in with this dark red, like a burnt red kind of, and I'm going to put that right on top of my crease and blend it outwards. Then I'm going to take this detailing brush and I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm going to put that right in my crease and just darken the look up a bit. And I'm patting this in. So now I'm going to attempt to do a cut crease. This is the hardest part for me. I'm going to use the same NARS concealer with the angled brush, and I'm going to just try my best and do this cut crease. So now that is dry, I think I did pretty good. I hope I did pretty good. It's time to do the candy cane effect. So I'm going to use these two very small detailing brushes. This is going to be for the red and this is going to be for the white. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but this is like a really tiny detailing lid brush. And then this is just a tiny detailing brush. I was going to start right on our crease. And we're going to start with this red color. And we're going to put that right in our tear duct. And we're going to do the same thing with the white. And pack it on. So now I'm going to cut the crease one more time. This is how it looks. I'm going to cut it one more time to make the candy cane a little bit thinner. So I'm going to cut it like right beneath my actual crease. I'm going to do my lid color. So I'm going to take this flat lid brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to mix this darker pink glitter with this lighter peach glitter to make it like basically like a midway of the two. I'm going to put this right on my lid. So I'm going to do the other eye now, put some lashes on and some glitter, and I'll be right back.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'm using my Lily lashes. These are Sis. This is the Sis set. Yeah, it's called Sis. And they are 3D wispy. Then I'm going to go in with this Sephora mascara and put this on my lashes. Then I'm going to go in with this bronze and silver glitter and I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eye and also on top of my lid just to like sparkle it up some. Okay, so now we're gonna get into our foundation. So what I'm gonna use is my Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 70WR. And I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics big foundation brush and the angled foundation brush. I think it's also a highlight brush, but like I like to use it as a foundation brush. I know it looks like it's not exactly my skin tone, but it definitely is. The camera doesn't really pick up the exact color, So just trust me guys, this is my color. It just looks a little bit more yellow on the camera. Then I'm gonna go right back in with my NARS concealer, and I'm gonna put this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose to my chin. I'm gonna go in with my MAC lipstick as my liner, and it is just a brown lipstick. And then I'm gonna go in with this Winky Luxe lip gloss. I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lips to have an ombre effect. And after that, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Red Velvet. And I'm gonna just pat a little bit of this on the very middle of my lips, just to give it some type of red to illuminate the red on my eyes. Okay you guys, so this is a complete and final look. This is the cut crease candy cane look that I made. I'm so proud of it. Please like and subscribe for more beauty tutorials, and I'll be sure to do it for you. Why would you talk when you know I'm talking?
I'm talking to Mommy.
But you can be heard.
My fault, I didn't know. Hey, Mommy's supposed to get ready.
So that's a complete video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will definitely do more beauty tutorials. And yeah, thanks guys. Bye. Oh, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. Hope you guys have an amazing time with your families. Yeah, bye.